Okay, we're going to look at the surface area of some three-dimensional shapes. All three of these shapes are 3D. And we're not doing volume, we're not doing what goes inside the shape, we're doing the area on the outer surface of the shape. So I'm going to start here with the cube. And I just want to give you a little bit of a visual so that you understand where the formula is coming from. Okay, so this cube, sorry, we've got 6 sides, right? We have front and back, we have top and bottom, and we have the sides. Okay, so there's 6 sides. Now, if we unfold this, that will help us visualize the surface area that we're calculating. So I'm going to go ahead and untape this so we can see what we have. And we have something that looks like this. Okay, so we have 6 sides. All 6 sides are exactly the same, which means if we find the area of one square here, it will be the same as the area of all other 5 squares. So we can just multiply it by 6, right? Because there's 6 squares. So the area of a cube, or the surface area of the cube, is really the simplest one. So if we write cube here, all right, it's the area of one of the squares. Now, when we did area of a square, remember we called the side, we called it S. Now, in some textbooks, they'll call, in a 3D version, they'll call this side the edge, and they'll put an E here. Okay, but to be consistent with what I've already got, I don't like to change letters and make it confusing. So I'm going to also call S. I'm just going to keep it as S. Okay, so the surface area equals, we're going to find the area of 1, right, which is S squared. That is the area of 1 square, and there's 6 of them, right? So we're going to put a 6 here, and it is just simply 6 times S squared. So let's look at these 2 examples. Okay, if I want to find the surface area of this cube, I first need to find the area of one side and multiply it by 6. So surface area, I'll go ahead and write my formula down, which is 6 times S squared. What is my S? Well, the side here is 5. That's my S. So I'm going to substitute it in. 6 times 5 squared. According to our order of operations, we have to do the exponent first, right? So 5 squared, that means 5 times 5, which is 25. Let's substitute 6 times 25. Okay, I'll go ahead and write it here instead of doing the mental math. Times 5 times 6 is 30. The 3, 6 times 2 is 12, plus 3 is 15. So that's 150. Don't forget our units, which are inches. And again, because we have surface area, right? Area is 2D. Even though we're talking about 3D objects, we're talking just the surface, it's just squared. Okay, we're not doing volume yet. Volume is going to be cubed. So the area, surface area, apologies, of our cube is 150 inches squared. Let's look at this one down here. I'm going to write my formula equals 6 times S squared. What's my S? Well, my S is just the length of a side. These single hashes right here that indicate that they're all the same as this one here, which is 10 feet. So 6 times 10 squared. We have to do our exponents first. So 10 squared is 10 times 10, which equals 100. Okay, so I'm going to do 6 times 100, and that is 600. My units are feet, and I have area, so it's feet squared. And that's all there is to the area or the surface area of a cube.